Welcome to Biologic Official. In this vlog, today I will discuss about phylum Cnidaria and phylum Tinophora. These two phylum are sometimes together called Coelenterata. So firstly, general characteristics of the phylum Cnidaria. These are the characteristics at a glance: diploblastic, radial symmetry, nidoblast cell, polyp and medusa stage, and planula larva. So first characteristics, diploblastic means variants have two body layers. The outer layer is called epidermis and the inner layer is called gastrodermis. There is a space in between epidermis and gastrodermis where jelly-like substance can be found, which is called mesoglia. The inner gastrodermis houses the cylindrical, blind-ended digestive tract, which is called coelenteron, and that is why they are called Coelenterata. The animals are radially symmetric, means their body is divisible into two identical halves through any planes through the central body axis. Cnidarians possess a special type of cell called nidoblast cell, which helps in defense and prey capture. It looks like this. So this is nidoblast cell, and this is operculum, this cap-like structure, and it houses cyst-like structure called nematocyst, and this is nucleus. During the time of prey capture or defense mechanism, this thread-like structure, which is the part of nematocyst, it comes out through this opening and projected towards the prey or predator. This thread is hollow tubular structure, and through this hollow tubular structure, like syringe, toxins comes out and paralyzes the prey or predator. The unique characteristics of this phylum is the presence of two stages or forms in their life cycle. One is called polyp stage and another one medusa stage. Polyp stage looks like this. They are sessile and attached to a substratum. In polyp stage, the mouth is directed upwards, but the medusa stage is motile and it looks like this. In this case, mouth is directed downwards. Other important characteristics of this phylum is the presence of free-living and ciliated planula larva. Phylum Cnidaria is divided into four classes: Scyphozoa, Cubozoa, Hydrozoa, and Anthozoa. These four classes, Scyphozoa, Cubozoa, Hydrozoa, and Anthozoa, are mainly classified depending on the presence and absence of polyp and medusa stage. In case of Scyphozoa and Cubozoa, medusa form is dominant. In case of Hydrozoa, both polyp and medusa can be found. And in case of Anthozoa, only polyp stage is dominant. Scyphozoans are marine and solitary, and their asexual reproduction occurs by strobilation. They swim actively, and the example includes Aurelia, that is jellyfish. In case of Cubozoa, the swimming bell is cuboidal in shape like this, and hence the name. Tentacles or cluster of tentacles only emerges from the four corners of the bell. Their nematocysts contain high level of toxins that can even kill humans. The examples include Tripedalia or Chironex. They are also called sea wasps. As I have said before, in case of Hydrozoa, polyp and medusa both stages can be found, and in case of them, cnidocytes are only present on the epidermis. Examples include Hydra, Obelia, Physalia, which is also called Portuguese man of war, Velella, and Porpita, which is also known as blue button. Anthozoa is divided into two subclasses: Hexacoralia and Octacoralia, which are also called Zoantharia and Alcyonaria respectively. Animals from Hexacoralia possess tentacles in multiple of 6, and there are presence of 6 mesenteries. Mesenteries are nothing but the partial division of the coelenteron. The examples are Adamsia and solitary coral like Fungia. Whereas in case of Octacoralia, there are 8 tentacles present and mesenteries are 8 in number. Tentacles are pinnate type. Examples are tubipore or organ pipe coral, gorgonia or sea fan, penatula or sea pen, renilla or sea pansy, and leptogorgia or sea whip. Ctenophores are also coelenterate and they are commonly known as comb jellies. These are the general characteristics of the phylum Tinophora. They are diploblastic, comb plates are present, coloblast cell present, and presence of CDP larva. So just like cnidarians, Tinophorans are also diploblastic because they have 2 body layers. Presence of comb plates is the unique characteristics of the phylum Tinophora. These comb plates are made up of thousands of cilia and it looks like this. Such 8 rows or called comb rows are present in case of Tinophora. Instead of nidoblast cell, Tinophorans possess a special kind of defensive cell called coloblast cell. So this is the structure of a coloblast cell. These are the granules. This is head region. This is the spiral filament and there is a straight filament. They are adhesive type of cells and not like nidoblasts, which are stinging cells. And last characteristics, their larval form is called cdiped larva. Classification of Tinophora is very simple. There are 2 classes, Tentaculata and Nuda. In case of Tentaculata, there are 2 pairs of ciliated tentacles are present. The example is Hormifera plumosa. In case of Nuda, no tentacles are present. The example is Bero forscali. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel Biologic Official. See you in the next vlog.